Do you feel like some guys out there are trying to win your heart, but you are just unsure? Well, they say that it is not safe to assume anything unless it is expressed. However, there is nothing wrong with being aware of the intentions of the people surrounding you. Suppose there are some hints that some boys like you, then you have to be more careful of how to deal with them. Of course, you do not want to give them false hopes, and at the same time, you do not want to fall into their traps. Here are some of the things that guys typically do when they like you. Find out more about the typical signs that boys are smitten over you. The most evident sign that boys like you is when they are determined to get your attention. Guys who have a secret crush on you can be too loud whenever you are around. They could be cracking a lot of jokes, trying to dominate conversations, or laughing too loud. They can be too annoying at times. However, introverted men have a different way of getting your attention. First, they may try to avoid the huge crowd and sit by themselves somewhere you can see them. Second, they will try to appear lonely and melancholy to evoke your sympathy. Then, from time to time, they will intentionally let you catch their shy stares. Of course, boys are competitive, so they will do everything to get your heart. The best way to do this is to win your approval by impressing you. Therefore, do not be surprised if these guys would always show up wearing their best and sweeping you off your feet with an irresistible fragrance. Moreover, some boys will showcase their talents and skills before you. Do not be surprised if you receive a hand-sketched portrait of yourself or if someone serenades you with his original song. Some may even offer you a free math tutorial and proudly share how easy numbers are for them. Impressing you will include their resources. Some boys love to give gifts, and they may shower you with their generosity. These are the kind of guys who will send you chocolates, stuffed toys, or bouquets of roses, even on ordinary days. You may also receive a regular supply of lunch meals or snacks. Others would bring their generosity to the next level by treating you and your friends to a movie or a trip to the beach. They may even send some presents to your family too. When a guy seems to be so gentlemanly towards you, he maybe likes you. Boys know that a gentleman is every girl's weakness. For this reason, they will treat you like a princess whenever you are around. They will open doors for you, pull chairs for you, and walk you home every single night. However, observe who the guys are that are naturally gentlemen. They want to serve everyone, especially girls and the elderly. A man who knows how to treat ladies well is worth giving a chance, so take note if someone like that shows interest in you. As part of guys' nature, they get confidence from being dependable and protecting the people dear to them. For this reason, you would know if a man likes you if he is always ready to help you. Whenever he sees you struggling with something, like math homework or some technical problem with your computer, he will immediately volunteer to solve it. You can also expect men like this to be ready to come to your side whenever you are down. So once they know you are brokenhearted or discouraged about something, do not be surprised if they offer a shoulder to lean on. Another sign that a boy likes you is when he makes a lot of effort to make you feel special. Guys are good at that when they are in love. They will do everything to touch the heart of the girls they like. They serve, give gifts, send sweet messages, and be there for these ladies whenever needed. Some of the specific examples that boys may do to make you feel special include bringing you to a beautiful place and telling you they only meant to show it to someone important to them. You may also be surprised when you find a lovely rose tucked into your bag or locker. Or they may invite you to be their date to the ball. Boys who like you will always ask how you are doing. Either personally or virtually, they will take time to check on you. For example, they will ask if you have already eaten, need someone to pick you up, or take your vitamins if you are already home. These boys want you to feel that they genuinely care about you. They would even remind you to sleep early, eat your lunch, or even pray before you sleep. Given a chance, they will even bring you lunch or pick you up after school or work. Have you observed any guy who loves noticing every tiny detail about you? Men who never fail to praise you for small things are smitten over you. From your dress to your new haircut or your lipstick color, they would not forget to compliment you. Boys who like you will also tell you how you impress them. It could be with your looks, intelligence, kindness, hard work, anything that is praiseworthy. It is a sign that they consider you as their ideal girl. Have you ever noticed that some guys at work or school start being nice to your friends? It may be a coincidence, but if the above-mentioned signs are present and they are suddenly going out with your friends, it is a confirmation. Guys like this just like you to be brave enough to enter your world. Look out for the boys who send friend requests to your close friends on social media, those who ask to share a table with you and your friends in the cafeteria, or those who invite you and your friends to a movie. Men who like you will always have the time whenever you need them. No matter how busy they are, they would not hesitate to offer help or leave whatever they do when you need assistance. Such guys would not miss any chance to make you feel special. Moreover, when you need someone to talk to, these guys would be more than willing to stay up all night over the phone. They could even sneak during work hours just to reply to your messages.